The Schwa. Pronunciation Activation Pack 6. The IPA chart. I've introduced the IPA chart showing the 44 sounds of British English in Pronunciation Activation Packs 1, 2 and 3, so I won't go into details about it here. If you want to know about the short and long pure vowels, monosyllabic and multisyllabic words, onsets, peaks and codas, take a look at the first 3 pronunciation activation packs in this comprehensive course. They're available for the price you want to pay at Britlish.com. Schwa. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the 6th of the pure vowels, the schwa. The schwa is the most commonly heard vowel sound in English. The schwa is a neutral central vowel which occurs at the peak of unstressed syllables. The exact sound and quality of the schwa depends on the sounds around it, and so it's very difficult to produce it in isolation. Letter combinations for schwa. The schwa sound has many spellings and can be made with any of the vowel letters A, E, I, O and U, and any combination of these vowel letters. Only words of more than one syllable can contain the schwa sound. The schwa is the most commonly heard sound in British English. Computer. I chose the keyword computer to illustrate this pronunciation activation pack because it contains 2 schwa sounds. A multisyllabic word, computer has one main stress and no secondary stress. The other 2 vowel letters, O and E, have the unstressed schwa sound as their peaks. Notice that the 2 schwa sounds in the word computer depend for their quality on the sounds around them. They're close in sound to each other but not identical. The schwa can best be described as a neutral sound. Stress pattern. We can show the stress pattern of words by using the capital O to represent a stressed syllable and the lowercase o to represent an unstressed syllable. Word stress is a crucial part of British English pronunciation. Often where we have a lowercase o, we'll have a schwa, but not always. You'll see this notation where appropriate in this comprehensive course of British English pronunciation. Stress-timed. English is a stress-timed language. This means that the timing of the rhythm of English is determined by the strong stresses in words. This is one of the most important things to know to achieve a good British English accent. Your own language may also be stress-timed like German or syllable-timed like Spanish. The schwa sound is the key to the stress timing of British English. I'll be exploring stress and timing in great deal in future pronunciation activation packs in this course. Practice. It's possible to learn about anything on a computer today. Note that the word anything has the stress pattern stressed, unstressed, unstressed, but no schwa sound. This is because the shortened E and the I sounds are sometimes used in unstressed syllables. See Pronunciation Activation Packs 1 and 2 for more details. Practice. The doctor asked her mother what colour cucumbers they preferred. Note that the word preferred has the stress pattern unstressed, stressed, but no schwa sound on the first syllable. This is because the I sound is often found in unstressed syllables. See Pronunciation Activation Pack 2, the vowel in insect, for more details. Practice. The massive amount of information on your computer can overwhelm you if you're not careful. Note that the word careful has the stress pattern stressed, unstressed, but no schwa sound on the second syllable. This is because the sound is found in the unstressed suffix full. See Pronunciation Activation Pack 3, the vowel in woman, for more details. Practice. The gentleman's famous company is obliged to supply colourful caterpillars to government departments. Note that not all the schwa symbols represent the pure vowel schwa sound. The phonetic symbols ia, ua, o, and are all gliding vowels which glide from or to the schwa sound. I'll look at them in detail in other pronunciation activation packs. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words which are almost the same, except for one different sound, in this case the vowel sound. Because the schwa always falls on an unstressed syllable, and most vowels are heard in stressed syllables, there's little confusion between the schwa and other vowel sounds. To see the problematic minimal pairs which use I and schwa, take another look at Pronunciation Activation Pack 2, the vowel in insect. The biggest problem for learners of English is the unstressed nature of the schwa. This is a particular problem for speakers of languages which are syllable timed rather than stress timed like English. Pronunciation Activator. To help you to identify the weak syllables which have the schwa in them, I've created some interesting exercises in the Pronunciation Activator. Each time you do the Pronunciation Activator, you'll be given 5 random exercises from a large database of exercises. The exercises will fully activate your understanding and use of the schwa sound for both speaking and listening. The OO notation. We can show the stress pattern of words using a capital O to represent a stressed syllable and a lowercase o to represent an unstressed syllable. Example, the word is Britlish. This word has 2 syllables, Brit and lish. The stressed syllable is the first syllable, so we can show the stress pattern by writing capital O, lowercase o. In these 197 exercises, you need to write down the stress pattern of each word you hear me say. Introduction. Yes, that's right. Demonstration. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. Demonstration. Yes, that's right. Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this pronunciation activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of vocabulary used. The dictionary gives you the meaning of all the words used in this pronunciation activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Phonetic transcription. I've also compiled a phonetic transcript of all the words and minimal pairs I included in the pronunciation activator. You can read each word and each minimal pair in Latin script alongside the British English IPA transcription. With your growing understanding of the British English IPA chart, this will help you to see how different letter combinations can produce different sounds. You can download the phonetic transcriptions as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Use it in combination with the dictionary if you're uncertain of the meaning of any of the words included in the list. Phonetics activator. The many exercises in the pronunciation activator are also available for you in phonetic script in the Phonetics activator. The Phonetics activator will help you to develop your ability to read and understand the British English IPA chart. By doing these exercises, you'll activate your phonetic skills in an easy and engaging way and will pave the way towards a better British English accent. Welcome to the Phonetics Activator. 5 random exercises designed to activate your understanding of phonetics as well as your pronunciation and listening skills. For a new quiz, refresh your browser. Click the Start Quiz button to begin. Minority. Yes, that's right. Radiation. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. Characterize. No, I'm afraid that's wrong. Manufacture. Yes, that's right. Pronunciation activation packs. The pronunciation activation packs are designed to help you develop a proper British English accent. After many years spent helping students worldwide to improve their pronunciation, I wanted to reach as many students as possible using the latest technology. This comprehensive pronunciation course explains every aspect of British English pronunciation in an entertaining and efficient way. You can pay what you want for each pack, from as little as €1, so it's very affordable and fantastic value for money. Or you can save even more with a membership subscription. Membership savings. Britlish now offers 3 memberships from just €8 a month. Monthly, biannual, annual. Each gives you unlimited access to every pronunciation activation pack and English activation pack at Britlish.com. You also get access to all the new packs I produce every week during your subscription period. Learn more at Britlish.com. Online English classes. If you really want to improve your English faster than you ever thought possible, online English classes are for you. I've taught many thousands of online English classes since 2006. My students find that online English classes are the most convenient way to learn English. Wherever you have an internet connection, you can have your English classes. At home, in the office, or even in the park. Wherever you are, I'll come to you. Book an introductory class at Britlish.com today and see how online English classes can help you get the level of English you've always dreamed of.